Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
We'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. It wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jack.
Promise that. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. We should only be in the gardens.
Keep the engine running.
Come and get me!
Get him, that's right.
that you do the nice. Welcome everybody.
There's more of them.
Take on.
How you like that?
Nice.
Watch should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off the goods! Go, 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 man!
Raggero, non le fa molto sporca ancora. Vale, da pure per كسر أنا روان زي ما كنت تكتب أيوه قبل ما نقرب معايا
Oh shit!
هغه یې گاډي وسم دغه دی شاپر دې ډاری کړی دی پریس
Whoa!
ها دا به چانس دا دې دا ماره اوس مې چلی دا ګورو دا ډېر ګران دی لاله صفای ډېر مزه کوي ها Sabahan na tawag. Namun aku tuh mata nampak rawi kan. Kalau mau tak arah warung apa sih sih.
Whoa!
Ya, hal yang Lo nggak ada mau kota apa? Oke, ada sekarang. Alah, tuh, galde ki metu puas Quran alah. Zakana, zarka. Zaka cerita lah. Kalau mau aku cek. Mau garden tawag kan. Dia akhirnya kira ni semua agak ada dia zaman dia nor lex slow macam. Ugora aga gaade zaman ada orang gos. Kam dia kosam sigla ada nama ada resto. Lama ada tambah jauh hosnya sih. Apa akan?
Oh shit!
Kam dia kau nak dah? Masa dah masuk kau. Sih.
Whoa!
Lagi, aku tak kiri. Ya dia maki tu.
Get it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Tak kiri mereka. Mana
Wait!
mereka?
We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What's cheap?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tyler, the cops drive! Wait, drive!
Nah, orang baru polis tu. Sama, aku dah kata band dia. Dah kana. Dua tu mau aku dah berkara mau jangan. Jadi tu sih kaya masuk ni. Wah, mulu ha. Zaman ada apa kau ada taklah dah.
That's it. Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. One of
Clear,
the
man.
criminals in this town.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole. Oh my god. But he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Then
Nama ada
wait,
bawa
he
dah
just
skill
got
tu
back.
ada.
Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.
हाँ खुश है